Now, today in our mathematics, we will start a fourth chapter, operations on fractions. Before that, we will have some revision. Now, see here on your book on page number 24, one table is given here. So here, let us divide the apples equally between two children. Number of apples are there, two children are there. We have to divide the apples equally between two children. Now look in this table in the figure. Now see here in the first column, number of apples are here. Here number of children are here. Girl, boy. Apples per children, and on here total number of apples get per children. Now see here. First there are 6 apples here, and these 6 apples have to divide into children equally. So how many apples will one child get? See here. So that is why we have to divide number of apples by number of children. That means 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. That means each one get 3 apples. Okay. 3 apple for this girl and 3 apples for this boy. Now if the number of apples are 4, and we have to divide these 4 apples equally between 2 children, then each one will get 4 upon 2. That means 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So each one get 2 apples. Now if number of apple is 1, and 1 apple we have to divide into children. So 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 1 and half. Then therefore each one will get 1 and half apple. Now if 7 apples are there, then we have to divide these 7 apples between 2 children equally. Then we have to divide 7 by 2 and 7 upon 2. That means each child will get 3 full apples and 1 half. That means each one will get 3 and half apples. Now how to divide this? We will learn this in this topic. Now such type of fractions, that means which type of these fractions are, we will study this, and conversion of these fractions into mixed fractions. So first we will study the improper fraction. Now conversion of an improper fraction into mixed number. So first we will realize what is meant by improper fraction. So improper fraction means a fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. Such type of fraction is called improper fraction. For example, 7 upon 2, 15 upon 8, 11 upon 5. In these fractions, here numerator is greater than denominator. Here numerator is 15, denominator is 8. So 15 is greater than 8. Here numerator is greater than 5. Such type of fractions are called improper fraction. And how to convert such improper fraction into mixed number. So we'll take the same example of 7 divided by 2. That is equal to 7 divided by 2. So we will divide 7 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 3, 2 threes are 6. 7 minus 6 we get 6. Here remainder is 1. So remainder is less than divisor. Okay, so we cannot divide further. So here 3 full. Okay, so this is called quotient. This is called remainder. 2 is called divisor. And 7 is called dividend. 7 is called dividend. And 7 is called dividend. And this is called 2 is called divisor. So now here to write this in mixed number, here the quotient is 3. First write 3. That means this is full 3 apples here. And remaining 1 apple is divided in 2 equal parts. That means 1 upon 2. That is the remainder upon divisor. Quotient here, this is quotient, this is remainder, this is divisor. This is called mixed number. The value is same. This is called mixed fraction or mixed number. In this way, you can convert this mixed number. Now, we will study conversion of mixed number into improper fraction. Now see here, we will take one example here. Three and 2 upon 5. This is mixed number. So here we have to convert into improper fraction. Okay, now see here, multiply this quotient and this is divisor. So multiplication of quotient and divisor, and add the remainder and put 5 as it is at the denominator. How to convert this? Multiplication of divisor and quotient, and add remainder, and the denominator put the number 5 as it is. So we get 3 multiplied by 5, 17, and 17 plus 2 upon 5, sorry, 3 5s are 15, plus 2, we get 17 upon 5. So in this way, this mixed number is converted into improper number or improper fraction. So in this way, we can convert any mixed number into improper fraction or any mixed number into proper improper fraction. Now we'll have some examples from practice set 9. Now question number 1, convert into improper fraction. This is mixed number is given. So here quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder upon divisor as it is. That is equal to 5, 7 5 are 35 plus 2, 37 upon 5. This is a improper fraction. Now the next, in this way, so remaining example 2, 3, 4, 5 we can solve similarly. Now we will solve the second question, convert into mixed numbers. Question number 2, convert into and example 1, 30 upon 7. Now this is improper fraction. This is numerator denominator. So we have to divide numerator by denominator. 7 4s are 28. So here remainder is 2. Now here remainder is less than divisor. So we cannot divide further. So here 4 is the quotient. Therefore 30 upon 7 is equal to 4 full, and here 2 is divided in 7 equal parts, that means 2 upon 7. 4 and 2 upon 7. This is mixed number. This way we can solve the example. Now next example we will solve in next period.